Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a scene lively and vibrant, scene of three friends playing blind man's buff, a memory drawing of three friends enjoying a lovely time in the park. Let's get started. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, which art form originating from Andhra Pradesh, India, involves hand painting or block printing on fabric, utilizing natural dyes and distinctive pens. Artists create intricate depictions of mythological tales, nature, and cultural motifs. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Let's capture the lively and playful scene of three friends playing together. We will start by placing the characters by drawing their outlines. We will draw the human body using simple shapes. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Remember to always keep the proportions in check and the shapes as simple as possible. Our first character is the blind man in the scene, so he is searching for other players. After you are done with the basic shape, draw the costume of the character. Costume is also very important in all the sketches because it automatically establishes the story of the character. Next, we will add a girl standing in front of the blind man. Also, let's draw a boy in standing behind the blind man and trying to provoke him with his arm raised a little. Next, add expression hair and blindfold to the characters, also giving more detail to their costume. Always remember, while drawing, use light strokes, which can easily be erased if it goes wrong. While adding expression detail, remember what is the action of the character and likewise add the expression. So now we are done with the characters, so let's get started with the background. As the scene is set in the playground, let's add bushes and trees in the background. Make sure to keep the background simple to pull attention towards the main action. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch. And now let's start with the fun part, which is coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Also remember to pick colors which are harmonious. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our playful scene. As you shade, envision the sunlight casting its glow on trees and bushes along with our characters. Blend the colors to make the scene livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a wonderful scene of three friends playing blind man's bluff. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The right answer is kalamkari art, originating from Andhra Pradesh, India, involves hand painting or block printing on fabric, utilizing natural dyes and distinctive pens. Artists create intricate depictions of mythological tales, nature, and cultural motifs. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.